Hello, this is Peter. Here, please allow me to share you the new type packaging for tea bag. Here, first one, the flat tea pouch. Here how it looks like. And the inner bag is pyramid tea bag. Outer is flat pouch. Here you can see pouch, pre-made pouch. It works in our packing machine. And here is the second tea pouch, triangle shape, and in the bag is pyramid tea bag too. And here you can look the triangle shape pouch, pre-made pouch, works in our packing machine. Have to point out these two kinds of tea bag works in single packing machine. Yes, our tea bag packing machine can pack these two kinds of tea pouch. And if you already have machines, if you already have a pyramid tea bag packing machine, that's totally not a problem. We have one model of outer bag packing machine. Yes, it works with these two outer bag, flat outer bag and triangle shape outer bag, so it can be used to connect with your packing machine, so you can feed your inner pyramid tea bag into our machine, and then our machine can feed it into these two bags. Thank you.